Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the productivity tricks on the POCO F7 Pro. Okay, so we can begin. So let's start with the split screen mode. So to enter it, we need to first open up two apps. It can be, for example, the Google Chrome, and let it be, I don't know, I'm looking for something actually. The system apps, it can be the calculator. Okay, so let's get back into the home screen. Now let's open up the recent apps, and we need to hold on one of the icons. Okay, until we launch this menu, and to enter the split screen, select this icon. Okay, now the Google Chrome is going to be on top. Now click on calculator, and now as you can see, the screen has been split in half. So this feature is good for multitasking. So as you can see, on the top of the screen I can still type something on the Chrome. I can search the internet, and if I want to quickly count something, I just select the calculator, and as you can see, everything works. You can also adjust the size of it. Hold this thin little bar on the middle of the screen, and you can adjust the size of both apps. So now the calculator should be bigger, and now the Google Chrome. And if you want to switch those apps, switch the sides, simply double tap on this thin little bar. Okay, so that's how the split screen works. It's pretty good option for multitasking. Okay, now we can open up something called the quick ball, but first we need to get into the settings. Now scroll down until you find the additional settings, and in here we have the quick ball. So we can turn it on. You can see that right in here this small little icon appeared. It's in the beginning, it's almost barely to see, but if you click on it, you can enable this quick ball. And here you have options such as, also in here we have the description. Click on select shortcuts, and you can see the possible options on the quick ball. So the option on the top is to go home. I mean, you get back into the home screen. The menu, you simply open up the menu, the recent apps. Then we have the lock. So we simply lock our phone. Then we have the screenshot. It's also pretty simple. And there's option to go back. You can see how this works. So in my opinion, it's also good. For example, when you are using the phone with your one hand and you can take the screenshot, you just open up with your finger the quick ball. You simply take a screenshot and you save a lot of time. Maybe not a lot, but it's more comfortable. For example, and if you want, you can also change those shortcuts. So let's say I don't want the menu. You can enable the Wi-Fi. So now as you can see, I'm connected into my Wi-Fi, and now I enable the quick ball, click on the Wi-Fi, and it has been disconnected. So now let's try to connect again, and it's on. Okay, now let's change the lock. You can also enable apps, for example. So let's say on the quick ball I want the YouTube. So I open up the quick ball by clicking on it, click on the YouTube, and it's automatically launched. So it's also pretty cool option. Okay, now we can go forward. There's also something called the floating windows. And to enable it, again, we need to open up some apps. For now, let it be I'm looking for the notes. Here they are. Okay, let's open up the notes. Let's create a new one. Now let's get back into the recent apps, I'm sorry. And now let's hold on the notes. And the floating window is this option right in here. So simply click on it, click on next, click on start. And as you can see, the notes are in the floating window right now. And the best thing is that it's good, for example, for quick replying. For now it's notes, but let's say you have your WhatsApp in here and you're doing something on the phone, something important, and you get a message. So you don't need to, quit the thing that you are currently doing. You just need to simply open up WhatsApp in the floating window. You just click on it. You can reply to someone, adjust the size, and get back to work. So it's also a cool feature. Okay. Now we can enable something called the second space. So to do it, let's open up the settings. Let's scroll down again into the additional settings. Again, scroll down, and in here you have the second space. So you can see it right in here. Set a designated screen lock for second space, separate and secure your data. So click on create, click on continue. In here you need to select the pattern, how to switch between those. You can use a password, you can use a shortcut. I'm gonna click on the shortcut, click on set now. You need to set the password first. So it can be the pattern, the PIN, or the password. So let's say for now it's gonna be the PIN. And remember not to forget it because you might lose all of your data. So I'm gonna select a really simple PIN. Then click on OK. Then click on next. In here you need to again set the PIN, click on continue. Oh, it should be different, so let's add the 5. Click on continue. Okay, let's change it. So let 1, 2, 3, 5. Click on continue. 1, 2, 3, 5. Click on OK. You can also set the fingerprint to do it faster, but I don't want this for now. Click on skip. You need to give the permission. Click on allow. And now we are in the switch mode. So basically in here you can simply organize your apps. So let's say on this mode actually, you only want, I don't know, only system apps such as calculator, clock, recorder, or things to your work, for example, that you need them. And you can organize it right in here. Then click on switch. Need to confirm by your password. Okay. And now we are in the original screen. So in the original, let's say you only want your apps. For example, for having fun, such as YouTube, Google, I don't know, your games, you can simply organize it between those modes. Okay, also we can go again into the notes. Let me find it. And in here we have the AI option. You can see it right in here. So if you click on it, you need to click on agree. But first you need to sign in into your Xiaomi account. So basically in here you can use modes such as translator. You can translate the selected text. I'm gonna show you that, but first I need to sign in into the Xiaomi account, so just give me a second, I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, now it should work. Then again, let's click on the AI option, and here you can enter your prompts. For example, you can create a trip checklist, write a speech for annual meeting, create a fitness plan. So let's say we want to create a fitness plan. You can basically there type anything. And you can see that it's generating right now in front of us. But for now, I'm gonna stop that. I'm gonna click on back. So that's how you can use this AI option. And there is also, of course, the Gemini. So to launch it, simply hold the power button for around half second. Click on got it. I don't know why it's in Spanish, but it doesn't matter. Click on use. And you can give the voice commands to the AI and ask him to do something for you. So, for example, you don't want to search internet in looking for the recipe for something. You can simply ask the AI to give it for you immediately. So, for example, you are really hungry and you want to eat a beef, for example, or some pasta. So you can simply ask the AI to give you a recipe. You can use the voice command by clicking the microphone button, or you can type it manually. But first I'm gonna tell him to change the language. Please change the language into English. Okay, I don't know why it doesn't want to work right now. Because it doesn't recognize my voice, because it's set on Spanish. So we need to change that. So to do it,
Hola, soy Gemini. Estamos a
no, I don't want it right here. I want to change the language. So okay, here idiomas, and I want English, but I don't know why it's not here. So let's select it right in here. Gemini settings.
Me encantará ser tu voz.
No, I don't want the Spanish. I want English. Okay, I don't know why it doesn't want to work. Let's go back again in here. Okay, let's select it. Oh, okay, here it is. Click on languages. And I want English, finally. Okay. Now it should work. I want to change that language. Can I think I will be able to get rid of that finally. Okay, then click on. Now finally we have our English. So now let's ask him this recipe for pasta, let it be. Give me a recipe for pasta, please. Okay,
Here's a simple and delicious recipe.
Okay, you can also see that it reads, so you can adjust the volume. Okay, now we have a recipe for simple tomato pasta sauce. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.